Big shout out to Irina. She's got a baby boy and another lovely baby on the way. She lives in London. She's working from home, and Irina took the decision to replace plastic with Espring. So well done, Irina! Thousands of plastic bottles have now been replaced with our incredible Espring. Let's see Irina using it. Who else is gonna join the trend? Replace plastic bottles with Espring and you get better quality water for a better price. Well done, Irina. We can't change the world in a day, but we can try to change it step by step.